Yeah, a small cervical problem. I will be just couple of months it takes, and a small accident. Nothing happens. Okay, now welcome back to UPrep online virtual classes of grade 8 Foundation Pro, and this is your mathematics teacher, Mr. Sheshagiri Rao. You all can call me Rao sir. Okay, how are you all, my dear children? Fine, good. That's good. That's great. And few more kids too should join. I think Kirtana is there. Kirtana should join, and a few more. I don't know about the names, but within a couple of classes, I will be able to memorize all your names. Okay. Now, yes, just now Kirtana entered. 100 years better for you. Just now I was saying Kirtana has to join. Okay. Right. Now today we are going to discuss about an important concept called, good evening Kirtana. We are going to start a new concept that is algebraic expressions and identities, and have shared my material with you all. Hope you all can see the material, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I am okay, Kirtana. I'm okay. Thank you, Meta, for asking. Next. So, algebraic expression session 1. And here is some important terms on your screen. First one is a variable. What is a variable? It's nothing. A symbol which can take any value is called as a variable. Next comes constant. What is a constant? A symbol which has a fixed value. For example, 5. 5 is a constant because its value does not change. 10. It is a constant because its value does not change, because these all are fixed. And variables in the sense x, y, z, whatever you want, you can take it, and these can take any values according to the question. So that's why it is called as a variable, and this is called as a constant. Now what is the coefficient? Okay. Coefficient means, for example, I will write 5xyz. This is the product of constant as well as with variables, and each of the things will be called as the coefficient of the other. That means what is the coefficient of z? 5xy. What is the coefficient of y? 5xz. What is the coefficient of x? 5yz. Okay, na? And what is the coefficient of the constant 5? xyz. If I ask, what is the numerical coefficient in 5xyz? 5. Because it is the only one which is numerical, which is present in the expression. So this is about the coefficient. Next, expressions and equations. So first of all, let us know what is an expression. An expression is nothing but it is the combination of constants and variables and coefficients. An expression is nothing but it is the combination of constants, variables, and coefficients. For example, this is an expression because it is having a constant, it is having a variable, and it is having a coefficient. So we can call it as an expression. Minus 14. It is an expression. If I take x plus 2, yes, it is an expression because one variable is present and one constant is present. And one mathematical operator is present, that is plus. Here we have minus. So basically the algebraic expressions are nothing but the expressions which are the combinations of constants, variables, and coefficients with a mathematical operator is called as an expression. Equation. Two expressions separated by equal to symbol is called as an equation. For example, x plus 2 is equal to 3. It is an equation. Why? Because equal to is present. What is this? Expression. Because equal to is not present. So this is an equation and this is the expression. Next.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, beta.
Sir, how 5xyz is expression? There is no means operation in it.
Multiplication, na? Product, na?
Yes, sir.
So it is an expression. Suppose if I write 5x upon 3, it is also an expression because division is there. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, types of expressions. Types of algebraic expressions. We have monomial, we have binomial, we have trinomial, and we have a polynomial. Basically, all are polynomials only. Here they have given a separate example for polynomial. Every algebraic expression which is having the combination of variables and constants and the coefficient, and the power of the variable is a non-negative integer, then we call it as a polynomial. That means what? X cube plus 3x square minus 5x plus 3. It is a polynomial because variable is x and the powers of x are non-negative integers. Yes or no? Yes. So it is a polynomial. Next, I will write one more example of a polynomial. Square root of y square minus 2. Yeah. We have a variable y and the power of y is 2. Is it a non-negative integer? Yes. So it is also a polynomial. Now, a polynomial will be called as a monomial if it has one term. Basically, 5xyz. It is a single term because none of the variable or constants are separated by a plus or minus. Terms are separated with the help of plus and minus, not with multiplication and division. Multiplication and division will make only single term. If plus or minus is used, then the terms will change. If there are two pluses and two minuses or one plus, one minus, then the terms exist. So here, this is called as a monomial. X power 8, y power 10. Is it a monomial? Yes, because it is only one term. Now, no, it is not a monomial. What it is? Binomial. What do you mean by binomial? A polynomial having two terms is called as a binomial. Trinomial. A polynomial having three terms is called as a trinomial. But what is a polynomial? An algebraic expression having variables, constants, and the powers of variable must be non-negative integers. Then only it is called as a polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial are polynomials. Sir, what is a term? This is one term. Term is nothing but a constant or a variable. Whatever is present in the algebraic expression is called as a term. For example, let me take this example. How many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. What are the terms? X cube, 3x square, minus 5x, 3. These are called the terms. And put together, algebraic expression. I hope you all understood now. Ronak, did you understand?
Yes, sir. So, but 5xyz is a term or not?
Yeah, 5xyz is a term because it is single term. So it is a monomial. It is a term. Combination of a constant and a variable or only one variable is present. X to the power of 8. It is a term. What it is? Monomial because only one term is present. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Suppose if I put plus y square. Now how many terms exist? 2. What are they? X power 8, y square. Then what type of expression is this? Binomial.
Binomial.
Why? Two terms are there. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So now we have learned about an algebraic expression, equation, polynomial, and types of polynomials based on number of terms. So based on number of terms means a polynomial having single term is called monomial, having two terms is called binomial, having three terms is called trinomial. Okay. Next, let us know what is the degree of monomial. For example, x power 8, y square, z power 12. Is it a monomial? Yes, it is a monomial. Now, what will be the degree of the monomial? The sum of the powers of all the variables in the monomial. Sum of the powers of all the variables in a monomial is called its degree. Now, what is the degree here? 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 12.
22.
22. So 22 is the degree of this polynomial. Sorry, monomial. For example, x power 8 plus y square is present. Now how many terms are there? 2 terms. Now what is the degree of first term? 8. What is the degree of second term? 2. What is the highest degree? 8. So 8 is called the degree of binomial. Means degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial means what? The highest degree of the terms, present in the polynomial is called its degree. For monomial, if only single variable is there, its power will be taken into the consideration. If 2 or 3 variables are there, then the sum of all the powers will be taken as the degree of the monomial. I hope you all understood.
Yes.
Okay. Next. That's good, beta. Next. Mathematical operations on expressions of polynomials. Yeah. We have addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Additions, multiplications, subtractions, and divisions are the operations what we can do for polynomials. And addition can be done in 2 methods. All addition, multiplication, division only one method. Division also 2 methods are there. One is long division and the other one is factorization, that we will see later. Now addition of polynomials will be done in 2 methods. One is horizontal method and the other one is vertical method, which also called as row method and column method. Row means horizontal. You all will sit in a class. How you will sit? In the benches. And the benches will be arranged in what? Columns and rows. Vertical arrangement is called a column. Horizontal arrangement is called as a row. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in the same way, addition of polynomials can be done by row method as well as column method. That means horizontal and vertical. Subtraction also same. Horizontal, vertical. Multiplication. Yeah, it can be also done with horizontal and vertical. Division, no, only one division will be there and the other one will be long division method. Next, let's move on to learn about the addition of polynomials. Here it is. Addition of polynomials, method 1 is horizontal and method 2 is vertical. Example, let's do this. 4x cubed plus x power 4 minus 3x plus 4. This is P of x. And another one is given as Q of x. And it is what? Minus 5x plus x cubed
Sir,
minus 3. Yes, Nana?
sir, horizontal is column or row?
What happened?
Sir, horizontal is column or row?
Huh?
Sir, horizontal is column or row?
Vertical is column. Horizontal is row. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now we have to add these two polynomials in two methods, that is horizontal method and the other one is vertical method. Okay. Now I am going with horizontal method. Horizontal method. So P of x plus Q of x I want to do. So 4x cube plus x power 4 minus 3x plus 4 plus minus 5x plus x cube minus 3. These are the two polynomials. When we want to do the addition and the subtraction, first of all what we have to do is we have to write the polynomial in ascending order or descending order of powers of the variable. So first I will rewrite this and I will rewrite this. First of all, what we have to do? We have to rewrite the given expression in the order of powers, either in ascending or descending. Better to go for descending order. So x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 3x plus 4. Second term, x cube minus 5x minus 3. So now what we will do is we will open up the brackets and write all the terms. X power 4 plus 4x cube minus 3x plus 4 plus of x cube is plus x cube plus of minus 5x is minus 5x plus of minus 3 is minus 3. Now we have to add or subtract. That depends upon the operation what we are going to do. Write all the like terms. What do you mean by like terms? Same variable with the same power are called like terms. So x power 4 only 1. So x power 4. 4x cube is there, x cube is there. So let us group it. Plus 4x cube plus x square. Plus x cube. Next minus 3x minus 5x. So minus 3x minus 5x. Next plus 4 minus 3. Plus 4 minus 3. Now x power 4 will be x power 4 only. Now plus 4x cube plus x cube will become plus 5x cube. Why? Because the coefficient of x cube is 1 and the coefficient of x cube is 4. When 4 is added to 1, we will get 5 and the variable is x cube. So 5x cube minus 3x minus 5x. Minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8x. Plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. This type of doing addition of polynomials is called horizontal method or row method. Please copy it, my dear children. Hope you all are done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's do vertical method, that is column method. First let us write P of x in ascending order of powers or descending order. Let me go with the descending. So x power 4 plus 4x cube minus 3x plus 4. Now Q of x. When you are writing Q of x, write the terms just below the terms. That means what? X cube term should be written under the cube term. X term should be written under the x term. Constant should be written under the constant. Okay. So minus 5x plus x cube minus 3. Now what we are doing? Addition. So P of x plus Q of x is equal to x power 4 and nothing is present, so x power 4 only, plus 4x cube plus x cube plus 5x cube minus 3x minus 5x minus 8x plus 4 minus 3 plus 1. So this is called as doing addition by vertical method or column method. Hope you all understood, my dear children. Please make a note of it. This is called addition of polynomials by vertical method or column method. Naisha says done, sir. Good. Now let us do one more addition of polynomials. P of x is equal to 5x cubed minus x square minus 2. Q of x is equal to x power 4 minus x cubed plus 2x minus half. Now I want to do this with the help of vertical method. Column method, with the help of row method means that directly you can write and you can write the descending orders of powers of x and get it. Now in column method, how we will do? Let's see. Now we
Sir,
should
what is-
consider the, yeah, Ronak.
Sir, what is P? Means I can't see clearly the board.
P of x is equal to 5x cubed minus x square minus 2. Q of x is x power 4 minus x cubed plus 2x minus half. Now I want to add with the help of vertical method. Now here, let's see. Here x cube term is there, here 3 is there, but here fourth term is also present. X power 4 is there, but here x power 4 does not exist. Okay, no problem. Here x term is there, here x term does not exist. So what we have to do is 5x cube. X term does not exist. So put the 0x. Wait. Minus x square. X term does not exist. So put the 0x. Next constant. Q of x. Starts with the degree 4. So x power 4. X cube minus x cube. X square term does not exist. So put the 0. X term plus 2x. Constant minus half. Did you understand this? Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. When we are doing addition with the help of vertical method, we have to see that all the possible terms exist or not. All the terms exist or not means what? If it is a cubic polynomial, that means degree 3, cube term, square term, x term, constant should lie. And if it is biquadratic polynomial, that is a degree 4. Degree 4 should be there, degree 3 should be there, degree 2 should be there, degree 1 should be there, degree 0 should be there. Okay. That means what? 4, x power 4. So, x power 4, x cube, x square, x and this. Okay. Now, let's add x power 4 minus x cube plus 5x square plus 4x cube plus 0x square minus x square minus x square plus 0x plus 2x plus 2x plus 2 minus half minus 2 and a half, that is minus 5 by 2. Hope you all understood now?
Yes, sir.
Good. Copy that. Yeah, Sridhan, any doubt? Okay. Next, let's move on to the next question. Hope you all are done this.
No, sir. Sir, please wait one minute.
Okay, make it fast then. Yeah, which one is the more convenient according to means row method? Row method is the best one
Yes.
because in column method we must see the particularity of the degrees. You cannot write directly x term because here x term does not exist. So you have to put 0x. Then only you can write x term under the x term now. Otherwise you cannot add by column method, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why column method means you must be more vigilant. In row method it's not like that. Just write in row, write all the like terms, add or subtract and write. Khalas. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question. Don't prefer vertical method unless it is given in the question.